Okay. So another one of my technologies, which to a lot of you might seem funny, but I think I mentioned this a few times in the discussion boards, is I use Google Communities with my classroom. Um, super good tool. I love it. The cadets love it. You come over here, you hit Google Community, hit Communities, and I just made this one for this brief, but this is actually the one for my class. Right now, there's only two members. That's me and my other instructor, because school hasn't started yet, so we haven't populated it yet. But like I said, I just built this one right here, and once you build it and you send it, your students, if they have a Google Gmail, which is free. I mean, that's what I love about Google. It's all free and it's limitless to how much storage there is. So you have them build a Gmail, and they get on communities. They find the community just like we did, and they request access. When you go to manage, it'll all pop up here in a second. Member requests, when they come in, boom, you approve it. Then you build your community as they all come in, and then you start your discussions right up here. Piece of cake. This is ours for our class. All of our cadets have cadet Gmail accounts. For our important cadets, they have um, their own emails by their billet, and we use this as a collaboration tool, and it's a great leadership tool for our students. So, like I said, Google Communities, I love it. It's great. We're all familiar with it. I highly recommend it if it fits into your class. All right, thank you.